Aquarius, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly general love reading for the month of Feb. While I shuffle the cards, please note tarot should only be used as a guide, hence only take what resonates and leave the rest. How we'll go about with this video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person. However, feel free to switch the roles if you want. When I go ahead and do the video, for me the top row is always for the sign that I'm doing this video for. So let's quickly begin. So what I see for you is you have the Three of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands and the Ace of Swords. Your person has the Empress, the Ace of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles and the Four of Cups. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship and what is the outcome of this relationship. Bottom of the deck I have the World card, which is telling me that there was one cycle which will come to an end and there will be another new cycle which is about to begin. Okay, so let's quickly see what's the cards showing for you. Now what the cards show for you is the Three of Cups with the Queen of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands and the Ace of Swords. So I see here, Sag, that there was a lot of socializing, okay, that happened. Okay, maybe there was a get together, a party or some social event where you definitely had a lot of people around you. Okay, that's one scenario that I see, but there's another very strong message that I'm getting from the cards is that there is a Queen of Pentacles with the Queen of Wands. Now when this happens, when there are two queens on the table, it definitely shows that there could be a third party situation that might have happened. Now it's not for everybody, it could be for very few of them, but that is a very strong possibility that one of them was very financially stable, okay, and the other person was extremely attractive, very sexual, very charismatic, okay, and that is the reason why there is also the Ace of Swords that we see over here, which means that there is some truth that you need to talk about. Okay, there is something that maybe you need to go ahead and tell your person, or if this is what you feel is your person's situation, they need to tell you that this is what is happening. Now for your person, I see the Empress card with the Ace of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles and again the Four of Cups. The Empress card, she is above all the queens, okay, she is somebody who has all the good things, which could be the financial stability. She is somebody who has a lot of love, she is somebody who will go ahead and take care of the situation, and she's extremely attractive as well. That's why she's the Empress above all the queens. Okay, and in certain situations the Empress could also show somebody who could be pregnant. Okay, that is also something that is possible. Okay, now what I see is this Empress is looking towards the Ace of Wands with the Ace of Pentacles. So there was definitely a new beginning which was very sexual, which was very passionate, however that moved towards a lot of stability. And what I see is the Four of Cups. Now it could be that your person, okay, has got himself or herself involved with somebody who might be pregnant. That is one scenario. Or this person is interested in somebody who showcases or has that skill about them, and that's how they go ahead and display themselves. However, this person also realizes that there was another cup that was offered to them and they didn't take that cup. Okay, so there were definitely two offers on the table for your person. One was which was very passionate and the other one which was very stable. Okay, and this person took some time off and they did not take one of the cups. Okay, either one of these two cups is something that they did not go ahead and take. Now let's go ahead and quickly see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have. The mutual feeling here is the Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is somebody who's trying to go ahead and balance two options. Okay, so it's a little dicey situation. They're trying to just balance out two situations, two people, and that's something that is showing for both of you. Now it's very interesting that for your row I see the Queen of Wands with the Queen of Pentacles, and for your person I see the Ace of Wands with the Ace of Pentacles. So it could be that either one of the parties here in this situation is dealing with a third person, or both of you are dealing with third persons, okay? And that is something that is the mutual feeling, because both of you have somebody else, okay? And that is what you're not able to tell your person, okay? Now the burden that I see over here, okay, is the Ten of Cups. Now there is love, there is definitely love, but this is a burden because both of you feel that there is a time where this love is becoming a burden because you have got yourselves involved with somebody else, okay, or the other person has got himself involved with somebody else. So this is kind of becoming a burden for them, okay? Now let's see what is the outcome of the relationship. It's the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, again, irrespective of the gender, is a very stable energy, okay, has all the finances in place. So that's the outcome that you and your person are looking forward to. So you definitely want a lot of stability in this relationship, okay? So let me just go ahead and see what is the outcome of this relationship, okay? Just let me take one clarifying card here. So what I got is the Six of Wands. Now the Six of Wands is a victory card, okay? So you can definitely expect a lot of victory coming out of this situation. Spirit, can I have one card here to understand what is the true intention of this person? Can I have one card here? Yes, the intention of the person is the Knight of Pentacles. Now the Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy, so either you or your person will take very slow steps to go ahead and reach this particular victory that you both are aiming for. It will take time, so you have to have a lot of patience, okay? So please don't get disheartened. Just take some time, go ahead, have those conversations, and ensure that you give your person some space as well, okay? Let's take one more card. Yes, it's a very positive card that I see for you. So if you see the intention over here, it starts really slow, but it moves forward, and it is a very big major arcana card that we have here, which is the Sun card. So you can look out for something very positive which will happen in this relationship in the future, but it will definitely take some time, so you need to be a little patient, okay? Now let's go ahead and take one more card, which is the message from archangels, and we'll also take a crystal which can help you in this situation. So let's take one card here. Okay, the crystal that is there for you is Sugilite, okay, and the message here is from Archangel Uriel. I'll put the message from the Archangel in the description box. You can read it from there. The message here from the crystal is: are you experiencing repetitive thoughts? Do you grab onto a thought, memory, or life experience and chew it over and over again? It is time to let go and release situations from your past, whether it was 5 minutes ago, 5 years ago, to find inner peace and true happiness. So what this card and the crystal is saying is you have to let go of past experiences which did not serve you, so that you can go ahead and get all the beautiful things that are waiting for you, okay? That's all I have for you, Sagittarius. In case you like the content of this video, please like, share, subscribe, and till next time, stay safe and love yourself first.